Let me just start this video off by saying I very much do not have my life together right now, but I'm about to change that, and you're coming with me. Giving myself a little reset today to get my shit together. First and foremost, I'm gonna clean the apartment because it is giving me mental clutter. I also really want to plan like an overnight trip to go somewhere and see the fall leaves. And I also really want to go to the gym or go for a run. I also want to bake protein brownies. I think that's mostly it. There's a lot more I would like to get done, but realistically, I'll be lucky if I can get those 4 things done. With that, let's get to it. Okay, I know it's chaotic. I sorted out a bunch of jewelry and I'm consolidating gloves, hats, tights, all into this box. My boyfriend just left for work, so I'm making myself a quick, not healthy lunch of instant noodles. And of course, since he saw that I'm organizing all my stuff, he requested that I organize his side of the closet as well. So that's what we're going to tackle today after I finish eating. I said I had planned to go on a trip in the next 2 days to catch some leaves, but I just got a rover request for Tuesday, which means I will no longer be able to go out and do some leaf peeping this week. So we'll see, maybe I'll save it for Friday and hope that the leaves are still peeking. So this is where we're at. There's not enough space up there for this many stacks. I'm gonna need to figure out how to combine them and get everything back up there. Ta-da! I'm taking a bit of a break from organizing to make my protein brownies. So I found a recipe that I'm gonna try and let's see how it goes. Hello, it's Monday the 14th. I feel like this is the first week after my road trip that I am feeling back into getting work done and being productive and getting back into a schedule. And now it's about 1:30. I'm gonna get some editing done for a couple hours and then hopefully hit the gym. Yeah, I'm just settling in to get some editing done, which I haven't done in a very long time. That is the goal for this week, to get a YouTube video up before Thursday. So, got about 20 minutes left, and then I'm gonna pack it up, go to the gym. I set myself a timer. I used Rise, which is like an incredible productivity tracking app. So I set a timer and I have it on my lower screen here. So I have a big reminder of how much time I set for myself to work on a specific project or task. But anyway, I have 18 minutes left because I've been rambling to you. I'm gonna pack up, go to the gym, then get back to work. I'm heading home right now, and my boyfriend is planning on going to the gym with his friend. I'm probably gonna make dinner while he's out. I've been craving Korean food, so I think I'm gonna make some sundubu. Probably gonna do that with like some sides. Oh my god. Sheesh. No way. Oh my god, you're kidding me. Okay, wow. The gochu-garu is also bad. We're gonna really it's no longer soon to be, let me just say that. Sorry it's so dark in here. So I made this soup, tofu and cabbage, and it's spicy. I used Sichuan chili flakes instead of the usual gochu-garu. Spicy pickled garlic stems, sort of variation on a Korean spinach salad, seaweed salad, and my rice. Wow, I'm so excited!
You're so handsome. You're so handsome. You're so handsome. Oh, you're so crazy. You ready to nap finally? It's been 2 hours of being crazy. I think we're ready to nap. Never mind. No nap time for us. Man, how do puppies never sleep?
Face down. Stay. Go. Yes.
I think he's getting a little tired again. Please, for the love of God.
It's 8:20 and it's been so hard to get anything done with the dog around. So now that he's been picked up by his parents, let's have a nice, relaxing, productive rest of our evening after a somewhat stressful day with the puppy. Okay. Audiobook in. Let's do it.
Same old, same old.
Hello! Excuse my hair. I went to hot yoga this morning, so my hair is just a little bit crazy, but it's Sunday today. It's the 20th. Getting my shit together. October is somewhat on track. It is a life maintenance Sunday, so I am currently waiting for the laundry to finish so I can fold all of that. Laundry is always my task. Hold on. So we always have like 4 loads of laundry to do a week. It's a lot. I think I'm gonna make another batch of protein brownies because it's just so nice to have something easy to like grab in the morning that's somewhat healthy. And I started going to hot yoga with a new friend. We signed up for this place that has like an intro offer that's $30 for 10 days unlimited. I don't think I'm gonna keep going to this yoga studio, to be honest, after the intro. I'm going to do a few of these dishes and then hopefully by then the laundry's done and I'll go swish it out and bring up what's done. I swear it feels like I'm just constantly doing dishes and it's all that I do. That is the one downside of dating a chef. And we don't have a dishwasher, so it's just never ending. Good luck! Thank you for visiting. Yumpy gonna play with you? Okay, I don't know if we're giving this dog back. Look at him. Pico, he loves you. Now comes the fun part. Let's see if I can do this, because this is one of my boyfriend's tasks. I don't know how much these weigh, but they're pretty freaking heavy. So I have to get up here. What would be the best way to do this? Ugh. Not like that. Oh my god. Can I do this? I think this is gonna help. Like this. This was not smart. I'm really trying to picture in my head how the hell this would look. Got an idea. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Oh no. No. It has been a somewhat lazy few days. If I'm being completely honest, I have been pretty depressed, and I think maybe I was using having the dogs over as an excuse to not get anything else done, so I've just kind of lounging in the living room, hanging out with the dogs. It kind of makes me feel more depressed because then I feel like a slug who hasn't done anything. But today's Saturday, the 26th. We're getting back on track a little bit. Sorry I'm out of breath because I'm just gonna work on dinner for myself. I decided I'm gonna make some guac, so I got a bunch of ripe avocados. I've also kind of been craving squash. I mean, 'tis the season, so I got myself a butternut squash. I have like two ways that I really like to roast these. One sweet and one savory. Or I might make like a... You know, sometimes you're just craving guac, but it's not acceptable to just eat guac. So you make everything that you need for tacos. I feel like I just woke up. Like, I feel so tired. Yesterday I think was like a pretty active day, and my boyfriend didn't get home until like 2:30. We didn't get to bed until like close to 4. So it's like 1:30 now. My boyfriend went to Costco without me because I could not get up, and I have been craving Korean food like nobody's business. So that's what we're getting later today. But for now, I'm gonna make myself a small cup of coffee and get on with the day. So bless his heart, he put the water up for me last night at like 3 a.m. and I will not be trying this again. I look a little spooky for Halloween weekend. I just finished hot yoga. It was a very chill Vin yoga class. It was a really nice stretch and just basically like an hour in a sauna. This was my last yoga class in my intro pack at this place I was just going to. I have been looking at other yoga studios to see what else is close. I think I found a different one that I want to try. We're gonna try to do like their introductory month together and take a bunch of classes there. Nice leftovers for dinner now that I'm back from the gym, and then I'm gonna get some work done. You can potty. The dogs is fun and all, but not during walk time. It's gonna be okay, Papa. Papa's? Taking myself and Pico out for an easy sort of rest day jog, and this is gonna be my first run / easy jog in I think close to 2 months. Wish us luck. I'm a little scared. For next time, you ready for dinner? Do you want dinner? Yeah. Okay, let's go. And bon appetit. Okay. Good boy.
Well deserved, Cha-Cha.
Hello, it is Halloween today. It's Thursday, the 31st of October, and I'm really trying to have a productive day, but I have the cutest freaking dog over, and I could just spend the entire day like squeezing his head. He's so freaking cute. But I just sent my newsletter a little bit late this week because I needed to find images and just do like a final edit on it. Otherwise, basically what I've done today is attend my YouTube mastermind meeting. Now I need to finish a video. I told my mastermind group this morning that I would be publishing this video tomorrow, and I still have a little bit of editing to do, but it's my Zion vlog, and Zion is freaking incredible. I'll link it, I think it's up here for you to see if you're curious. Then on to the next adventure. The next vlog I believe is going to be either Colombia and a quick little camping vlog that I did. I thought since it's the end of the month, I would just wrap up this vlog for the time being. I just want to say thank you so much for watching until the end if you're still here, and I will see you in the next video. Oh, last thing, if you liked this video, you are going to want to check out this one next. So enjoy, and I will see you here next time.